Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to set limits for different options in Google Forms. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an updates from us. First of all, over here you can see I am in Google Forms. Over here you can see I am planning for a webinar on May 5, 6, 7 and 8. Over here I have limited seats in May 5, 6, 7 and 8. So for that I need to limit my response for these days. For demo, I have just 2 seats for a webinar in May 5, 3 in May 6, 4 in May 7 and 5 seats on May 8. So to limit these options, all we need to do is go over here to more and we can find get add-ons. Click on this. This is similar to extension on Google Chrome. Now we can search for field limit and hit enter. Over here you can see the first option, form field limit. Click on this and install. You'll be asked for permission over here. Grant all the permissions and we are good to go. Then just cross this. You can see here a new option as add-ons will be appeared over here. Click on this and click on this form field limit and click on configure. Now you can see new pop-up window will be formed. Then you can see here, as I have only one question in my form, here only one questions limit is visible. If here were multiple questions, then multiple questions limit will be appeared over here. Now suppose there are only 2 seats available for May 5, 3 for 6, 4 for 7 and 5 for May 8. Then you can see here I have limited the response time for 2 times for May 5, 3 times for May 6, 4 times for May 7 and 5 times for May 8. That means only 2 attendants can attend my webinar on May 5, 3 for May 6, 4 for May 7 and 5 for May 8. And just save. You can see here setting is saved. Just minimize and let's check whether it works or not. Now I'll go to preview and choose May 5. As I have selected 2 times for May 5, I'll choose 2 times. For now I'll choose once. We can see here one response is received. Again preview and I'll choose May 5 and submit and I'll again go to the form. Then you can see here as soon as I choose May 5 for 2 times, option for May 5 is vanished. If I again click on preview, you can see here after the limit is reached, May 5 is not visible to next audience who are gonna fill this form. So I'll click on submit. You can see in the response that I have got 3 responses and 66% for May 5 and 33% for May 8. That is, I have got 2 responses for May 5 and the option is deleted after the limit is hit. So in this way, we can set limit for options in Google Forms. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you. Have a good time.